Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you Cash App taxes, how to file your return stress-free. You can sign up for Cash App using the link in the description. Filing your taxes with Cash App is a simple process, and in this video, I will guide you through each step. Cash App offers a free tax filing service that allows you to complete your federal and state returns directly from your phone or computer. To get started, open Cash App on your device. Scroll down and look for the taxes option. If you do not see it right away, tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type in taxes. Once you find it, tap on it to begin the process. If you are filing taxes for the first time, tap on the search icon. If you have already started your return, tap Resume to continue where you left off. The first step is to create a password for your tax return. This allows you to access your tax information on multiple devices. After setting up your password, you will be asked to enter basic personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and social security number. You will also need to provide your current address. Once your basic information is entered, you will move on to the income section. If you have a job, you should have received a W-2 form from your employer. To enter this information, tap on the W-2 option and fill in the required details. If you are self-employed or earned income from freelance work, you may have received a 1099 form instead. Tap on the 1099 option and enter the necessary details. If you earned interest from a bank account, you might also need to enter a 1099 ENT form. There are other income forms available, including SSA or MSA forms for Social Security benefits. If you are unsure about any of these forms, you can tap on them to read more information. Next, you will enter any expenses, deductions, or tax credits you qualify for. If you traveled for work or had business expenses, you can enter those details in the Deductions section. If you made quarterly tax payments, you can enter those as well. There is also a section for medical expenses, state tax payments, and other deductible items. If you need help finding a specific deduction or tax form, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen to locate it quickly. Cash App also allows you to file your taxes from a computer. If you prefer to use a desktop, visit the Cash App Taxes website using the link in the description and log in with your account. The process is the same as on the mobile app, but using a computer may be more convenient if you need to refer to other documents while filing. Once you have entered all your information, tap on Review and File. Cash App will check for any missing details and suggest ways you might be able to save money on your taxes. If there are any issues, follow the instructions to fix them. When everything is correct, tap Get Ready to File. Before submitting your return, you will be asked to verify your identity. You may need to enter your state-issued ID or provide your PIN from last year's tax return. If you do not have your PIN, you can use your adjusted gross income, AGI, from the previous year instead. Once verified, tap Continue. If you owe federal taxes, Cash App will give you payment options. You can pay directly from your bank account, visit the IRS website to pay manually, or set up an installment plan if needed. If you are receiving a refund, you can choose to have the money deposited into your Cash App balance, sent to a different bank account, or receive a check in the mail. Select your preferred option and tap Confirm Deposit. Now, you will see a final summary of your tax return. Read through the information carefully. If everything looks correct, tap Continue and create a 5-digit PIN to sign your return. After that, tap eFile Now to submit your taxes electronically. Once your return is submitted, you will see a confirmation screen. You can track the status of your federal and state tax returns within Cash App. If there are any issues, Cash App will notify you and provide instructions on what to do next. That's it. Don't forget to click the link in the description to sign up for Cash App for free.